A quiet morning at the cafe.
Good morning. It is a beautiful day.
Good morning. Yes, it is. The weather is very nice today.
I like mornings like this. The air feels fresh.
I feel the same. It makes me smile.
Do you come to this cafe often?
Yes, I come here every Saturday morning.
Really? I am here for the first time.
Then welcome. I think you will like this place.
Everything looks warm and comfortable.
The coffee is very good, and the bread is always fresh.
That sounds perfect. I am hungry this morning.
I am hungry too.
What do you usually eat here?
I always order eggs, toast, and hot coffee.
The breakfast sounds simple but delicious.
Sometimes simple food is the best food.
I think you are right.
What do you like for breakfast?
I like toast with butter and strawberry jam. I also like orange juice.
That is a nice choice.
I also love pancakes, but only on special days.
Me too. Pancakes always make me happy.
The street is very quiet this morning.
Yes, many people are still at home.
I like quiet places. They help me relax.
I understand. Life is often very busy.
This cafe feels different. Time moves slowly here.
That is why I come here every week.
I think I will come again next weekend.
I hope so. It is always nice to share breakfast with a friend.
Thank you. That is very kind.
You are welcome.
Should we order now?
Yes, I cannot wait for my coffee.
I cannot wait for my breakfast either.
Today will be a good day. I can feel it.
I think so too. A good breakfast is a wonderful start.
Yes, good food and good company make every morning better.
I am glad we met today.
I am glad too. Let us enjoy this beautiful morning together.
That sounds like a perfect plan.
Then let us begin our breakfast. Choosing a fresh breakfast. I feel much better now. Thank you for helping me.
You are very welcome. Everything is fine again.
The table looks clean, and the morning still feels beautiful.
Yes, one small accident cannot change a good day.
I think I am still a little hungry.
Really? What would you like to eat now?
I am not sure. Everything on the menu looks delicious.
Take your time. There are many good choices.
What is your favorite breakfast here?
I love the fresh bread with butter and honey.
Honey? I usually eat jam instead.
Then today is a good day to try something different.
Maybe you're right. I should try new things more often.
That is the spirit. Small changes can bring happy surprises.
Do you always eat sweet food in the morning?
Not always. Sometimes I choose eggs and tomatoes.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, it gives me energy for the whole day.
I think I need extra energy today, after the coffee accident.
I think you do.
The sunshine is getting brighter.
It is a perfect morning for a slow breakfast.
I am glad I came here today.
I am glad too. It is nice to have someone to talk with.
Breakfast is more enjoyable with good company.
I completely agree. Food always tastes better when people share it.
Do you cook breakfast at home?
Yes, I cook simple meals during the week.
What do you usually make?
Toast, eggs, fruit, and sometimes oatmeal.
Oatmeal is healthy, but I do not eat it very often.
You should try it with fresh fruit. It is very tasty.
Maybe I will. I like bananas and strawberries.
They go very well with oatmeal.
You know many good breakfast ideas.
I just enjoy simple food.
Then I should learn from you again.
I am happy to share my favorite recipes.
Next weekend, I will make breakfast at home.
That sounds wonderful. Do not forget the fresh fruit.
I will not forget. I want my breakfast to be colorful.
A colorful breakfast is a happy breakfast.
I like that sentence.
It is true. Good food can bring good feelings.
I think this morning is becoming one of my favorite mornings.
And the day has only just begun.
Then I believe even better moments are waiting for us.
I hope so too. Let us enjoy every bite of our breakfast.
The coffee suddenly spills. Our breakfast looks wonderful.
Yes, everything smells fresh and delicious.
I cannot wait to taste the coffee.
Be careful. The cup is very hot.
Do not worry. I will hold it carefully.
Good. I do not want you to get hurt.
Oh no!
What happened?
I moved my hand too quickly. The coffee spilled on the table.
Are you okay? Did the coffee touch your hand?
No, my hand is fine. I was very lucky.
That is good news.
I feel so embarrassed. I made a big mess.
It is all right. Accidents happen.
The table is wet. My napkin is wet too.
We can use the extra napkins.
Yes, that is a good idea.
Here, take these napkins.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Let us clean the table together.
The table already looks much better.
See? We solved the problem quickly.
I was nervous for nothing.
Now you have a funny story to tell.
That is true. I will never forget this breakfast.
Does this happen to you often?
Not often, but sometimes I am a little clumsy.
Everyone is clumsy sometimes.
Thank you for not laughing at me.
I laughed with you, not at you. There is a big difference.
That is very kind of you.
Friends help each other.
My coffee is almost gone now.
We can share mine until you get another cup.
Really? Are you sure?
Of course. There is enough for both of us.
You always have a good solution.
I just stay calm. It helps in small problems.
I should learn that from you.
It takes practice. One small step every day.
I will remember your advice.
Shall we enjoy the rest of our breakfast?
Yes. This time I will hold my cup with both hands.
That sounds like a very smart plan.
I think the rest of the morning will be much better.
I believe so too. Sometimes a small accident makes a good day even more memorable.
Then let us enjoy every minute together.
Yes, a little spilled coffee cannot ruin a beautiful morning.
The wallet is missing. That was a wonderful breakfast. I enjoyed every bite.
Me too. Everything tasted fresh today.
I think this is my new favorite cafe.
I knew you would like it.
Now it is time to pay the bill.
Yes, let me get ready to.
My wallet is always in my bag.
Then everything will be easy.
That is strange.
What is wrong?
I cannot find my wallet.
Are you serious? Please check your bag again.
I am checking every pocket, but it is not here.
Do not panic. Let us think carefully.
I always keep it in this pocket. It cannot just disappear.
When did you use your wallet last?
I used it yesterday afternoon at a small bookshop.
Good. That means you remember using it.
But I do not remember putting it back into my bag.
That's okay. We can remember step by step.
All right. I left the bookshop. Then I walked through the park. After that, I came home.
Did you open your bag at home?
Yes, I took out a book and my keys.
Did you see the wallet then?
I do not think so. I was tired and did not pay attention.
Sometimes our memory is not perfect.
I feel terrible. My bank card and my ID are inside.
I understand.
But worrying will not help us.
You are right. I need to stay calm.
Exactly. We will solve one problem at a time.
Wait a minute. There is another small pocket inside my bag.
Please look carefully.
Oh, I can feel something.
Really? What is it?
It is my wallet. It was inside the small pocket all along.
That is wonderful news.
I cannot believe it. I checked the wrong pocket first.
It happens to everyone.
Thank you for helping me stay calm.
You found it because you did not give up.
And because you reminded me to think slowly.
A calm mind can see what worried eyes cannot.
I will remember that lesson.
Today you spilled coffee and almost lost your wallet. It has been an exciting morning. Please do not give me any more surprises today. I will try my best. Now I can finally pay without any worries. And we can leave with happy memories instead of stress. Every small problem taught me something today. That is why today was a very good day after all.
A friendly walk after breakfast. The fresh air feels wonderful after breakfast.
Yes, a short walk is a great idea.
This street is so beautiful. The old buildings have so much character.
I always enjoy walking here on quiet mornings.
Do you live near this cafe?
Yes, my home is only a few streets away.
That is very convenient. You can visit the cafe whenever you like.
Exactly. Sometimes I come here just for a cup of tea.
Only for tea?
Yes. I enjoy sitting by the window and watching the street.
That sounds peaceful. I think I should slow down more often.
Everyone needs quiet moments in life.
I usually rush from one place to another.
Do you have a busy job?
Yes, my days are often full of meetings and phone calls.
That can be very tiring.
It is, but I also enjoy my work.
That is important. Loving your work makes a big difference.
These flowers are beautiful. I like all the bright colors.
They bloom every summer. They make the street look cheerful.
I think flowers make people smile without saying a word.
I believe that too. Nature has a special kind of beauty.
Do you have a garden at home?
Yes. It is small, but I take care of it every weekend.
What flowers do you grow?
Roses, lavender, and a few sunflowers.
I love lavender. It smells so fresh.
The garden smells wonderful in the afternoon.
I have never tried gardening before.
It is easier than many people think. You only need patience.
Patience is something I still need to learn.
After today's coffee and wallet adventures, I think you are already learning.
You are probably right.
Today has been a good teacher. Every day teaches us something new. The sky is so clear now. It is a perfect day to spend time outside. Maybe we can visit the park later? I would like that very much. There is a small lake and many old trees.
Are there many birds there?
Yes. You can hear them singing almost all day.
That sounds relaxing.
Sometimes the simplest places bring the happiest memories. I understand that much better now. I am glad we decided to spend this morning together.
Me too.
It has been one of the nicest mornings I have had in a long time. Then let us keep walking and enjoy every moment.